Hello, welcome to Cooking Fun with Anshika. Let's start cooking.
If you are a vegan or not, this recipe will win everyone's heart. We are making kale and sausage pasta with some lemon sauce in it. Let's get cooking. To start with, we will put the pot on heat and I have added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We will start with first preparing our sausages. I am using these Richmond meat-free sausages, and if you haven't tried this, I cannot recommend this enough. They are like real sausages. Do give this a try. So I have diced my sausages now, and as the oil is a little hot now, I am going to add them to the pot. And we will cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep the heat on medium, and you can see that now these sausages are turning nice and brown. This is how we want our sausages to be, nice and brown from all the sides. Yeah. So this takes roughly about 4 minutes. But keep stirring for even cooking. So now my sausages are all cooked. I am going to take this out into a bowl along with all the olive oil. Now whatever oil is remaining, let it be, because we are going to now boil our pasta in this oil and water. So what that will do is it will give that meaty flavor to the pasta as well. So in goes some hot boiling water into the same pot. Now that the water is boiling, I am going to add about 300 gram whole wheat pasta. I am using fusilli. You can use any pasta of your choice here. So now we will let our pasta boil. Just keep an eye, don't overboil the pasta, because that a lot of times spoils the dish. Yeah. So in the meantime, I am going to chop one onion. Now my onion is chopped. You can see I have sliced them a little thick. Next it is time to dice our kale. And look at that, my pasta is all cooked. So I am going to take out about 2 ladles of water from this pasta, which has the starch, and keep it aside. So I've drained my pasta and put the same pot back on heat, and in goes another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next I'm going to take a garlic, and we will need about 10 cloves roughly. So in goes some crushed garlic. Now whenever you are making Italian, never chop your garlic, always crush and add to the oil. It always infuses better flavor. So I am using a garlic press here for the same. So let's saute our garlic for about 30 seconds. We don't want it to get brown, but just release all the aroma and the oil. And in goes my sliced onion. We will saute this for about a couple of minutes. So now you see my onions are a bit translucent. They are pink. Next goes in some kale. So I chopped my kale, washed it, and in goes the kale. Give this a quick mix. So now it's been a couple of minutes. My kale is cooked. In goes my cooked sausages that I had put aside. And I am going to add half the stock that I kept aside. Next I'm going to add juice of half a lime. Now my lime is in, and now it's time to add our pasta. And last but not the least, add salt to your taste. So now our pasta is ready. The last bit is to prepare the lemon dressing. For the dressing, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, juice of half a lime and add some chili flakes. Just give all this a quick mix. So dressing is ready. Serve your pasta and drizzle some lemon chili olive oil on top and enjoy. Also, if you like the recipe, do hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye.